So look, a lot of you guys are looking for side hustles, ways to make money, or maybe ways to go full time, looking to leave a 9 to 5 job, or just looking to make income in general, right? Today I want to talk about Instacart. Instacart is the app that I've used plenty of times. Something I was doing pretty much a couple months ago when YouTube demonetized me, and I was losing about $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 a month, a little bit more than that, and I had to pretty much supplement that with Instacart, right? And I want to get on here and tell you guys how it is possible to go make $200, $300, some days $400 a day on Instacart, which would be the shopper app, right, in the app store. Pretty much what you're going to be doing is shopping for groceries. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already heard of this, but you're going to be going to stores, shopping for groceries, delivering them, right? And this is one of these apps where it gives you the freedom just to work, and your time, your efforts is what you're going to get out of it. And you can cash out every day. If you need to make a $50 payment, whatever, you can go work, boom, cash out, and then get back to work, stack it up, do it for the week, whatever, however you want to do it, right? What I was doing is I would probably make anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000, and I would just wait till Sunday and I would cash out, instant cash out, because if I didn't instantly cash out, let's just say I forgot, I wouldn't be able to get my payment until probably Wednesday. I think the direct deposit hits Tuesday or Wednesday, which is fine. Once you start making a good cash flow and you got money in your account and everything, you're good. But I'm telling you guys, go sign up. I'm not here to give you guys a code. I really don't. I'm not really into the whole affiliate thing and all that stuff, which I can be, which eventually I probably will be. But right now I'm just trying to spread info. This is something I did. I used Instacart heavy. Some of you guys may know that. And I had a TikTok and things like that about it. But right now I am no longer able to work on the platform right now. But the platform itself is very, 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 very good. I'm going to be honest. Compared to Uber Eats and everything else, Instacart for me made the most sense. You're driving less and you're pretty much making the most out of your time. You know, some of these batches, you're getting batches like crazy amounts of tips and things like that. I'm telling you, Instacart shopper app is definitely a way to go if you need extra money. And then once you get in the app, it's easy to navigate. The support is pretty decent. And you guys will be surprised, man. It might take a little while to start up and really get your account going and stuff like that. But there will be some wait times as well. You will wait maybe an hour, 2 hours at times. I'm waiting even 3-4 hours at times. But once my account, I started getting to the point where I'm knocking out 18 batches a day, 20 batches a day. Boom, boom, boom. I'm getting out early. I'm cranking them. And I was diamond or whatever the highest. I don't know if it's not platinum. It's diamond, I believe. Cranking them, dog. I'm talking about priority access, everything. And I would work literally morning to night, sometimes 11 p.m., then go to the gym and not get home till about 1. And then go out again 6, 7, 8 in the morning, work all day. All day. There's no excuses, man. If you have nothing going on, you need to be working all day. Sometimes, and if it's not this, try all the other apps or try whatever. But whatever it is, man, you guys need to be hustling and grinding. But this is one of those ones where I'm telling you, I'll make more videos too, and pretty much break some things down. But this is something where you're going to get full pay up front, and you can kind of leverage that to where you need to be until tax time comes and things like that. And if you know what you're doing with your taxes, it won't even be that bad. But this is also a gateway for entrepreneurs or people who want to start a business or who have businesses or who just need daily income. For me, some of my business like YouTube, I don't get paid until a whole month. So maybe I need to do Instacart a week or two to make $4,000 to hold me over until boom. See, you got to think like that. This is a great platform that will help you, you know, hold over to the, or you could just be a full-time. I know people who do this full-time. You can make 100K. I guarantee it if you go hard. I'm telling you, bro, you're making 1,500 to 2K, sometimes even more. You could probably make more than that if you really go at it. You know, unlike the other apps, they don't really kick you off of here as far as your time. Other apps, you have like a 12-hour gap. Then you got to rest. This is different. I'm telling you now. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you on here. You do have to be 18 years old. You do have to show your driver's license and things like that. I don't think for this one you need It's not too much to sign up. I'm telling you, this is fairly easy to get going. Just make sure you guys get in there now. I know a lot of spots are being taken because a lot of people are catching on. So I just want to come on here and talk to you guys. And you could do this. Look, you could play music in your car. You could do whatever you want. You could be on the phone. You're just shopping for people's groceries and you're delivering them. So, and then once you start getting used to the stores and things like that, and the customers see you, I mean, the workers see you, it becomes boom, 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 boom. And it becomes addicting because you could get up, do what you got to do, and get straight to the money, stop when you want, eat when you want, and then get straight to the money, go to the gym, do whatever you want, and then you're still making money. So, try this out. It's definitely something I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.